Alrighty, we're still at Vic's house. Here's his furnace here. Tied up to his ductwork. He does have a humidifier here. Looks like it's an older one. Does that humidifier still work, Vic?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe just require a little maintenance on there. Alright, our line set runs up through here and back over. Excuse me, sir. And then it runs over here to the outside. As you can see, our AC sits right out there. And here's our copper lines. So we'll just end up flushing these lines. You can see why. I will also be giving Vic a proposal for zoning. Most is open, as you can see here. The only issue that we might have is right over here of the bathroom, but I do see a couple that we could easily get to without too bad of a problem.